So doing a startup is incredibly chaotic, and there are so many things you want to get done every day or could be doing. Every day you're getting emails from customers or investors or friends saying, hey, you should do this, or you should do this, or go up to this market, or why don't you go after this market, and how can you do this, and we need these features and those features, and this isn't working, and fix that, and you've got HR issues and people issues. And I think the real challenge for a CEO or anyone leading a startup is to understand how to focus. You're the one that has to have the vision about where the company needs to be on a long-term basis, and you have to be that cheerleader and that leader, and you have to get people to kind of file in behind that vision. But at the same time, you have to know how to say no, and you have to focus on, what do I have to get done this week? What matters for the next 3 months? And that's incredibly challenging, and a lot of that is the ability to say no. It's the ability to understand, all right, what really matters over these next 3 months, and keeping everybody focused on those issues or those tasks. And as a CEO, I would say that's one of your main, biggest priorities, right? Because everyone has different perspectives on what they should and could be doing, and everyone thinks about things differently. And you have to get everyone aligned, and you have to know, what's the vision? What are we doing this week? What matters this week? But not only what matters this week, but why what we're doing this week matters in the long term, and where the company needs to be going. And understand your audience, their pain, your positioning, your strategy, your environment, all of that is critical. But knowing how to say no is a huge, huge part of it, because you can't do everything. And the problem is, if you try to do too many things, you do too many things poorly. So you have to focus as a team on what matters this week, over the next 3 months, over the next quarter, the next half a year, and keep everyone aligned, working towards those same issues and priorities. And a lot of that has to do with how you speak. It has to do with how you communicate to the rest of the company. It has to do with how you manage your process from a dev perspective. What's your sprint plan? What are the priorities? What gets into product? What doesn't get into product? But as a CEO, I think one of your single biggest priorities is to keep everybody focused.